Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5A and B. Before starting this, I want to share something. What are the conditions of Pareto optimality? And the second questions. So we have prepared all the answers in the PDF in the handwritten form. If you are looking for any assignments of PDF and solve assignments, so you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. And if you need any other help, so we are here for help you. Now, question number 5, which is a already discussed, and B is suppose an investor is concerned about this business choice in which there are the three prospects and the probability and the returns are given below. Probability is given where and returns are given here. What is the expected value of the uncertain investment? What is the variance? So here we discussed all the questions, and we want to share that. We have prepared all the answers of all the questions. So if you need this, contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.